In 1799, during Napoleon Bonaparte's campaign in Egypt, a group of French soldiers made a discovery that would revolutionize our understanding of ancient civilizations. Near the town of Rosetta, modern-day Rashid in the Nile Delta, they unearthed a granodiorite stele inscribed with 3 distinct scripts: ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs, Demotic script, and ancient Greek. This artifact, known as the Rosetta Stone, became the key to deciphering the long-lost language of Egyptian hieroglyphs, bridging a communication gap that had persisted for over a millennium. The Rosetta Stone, currently housed in the British Museum, is one of the most significant archaeological finds in history. Carved in 1960 BC during the Ptolemaic dynasty, this stele bears inscriptions that are versions of the same decree issued on behalf of King Ptolemy V Epiphanes. The decree, which commemorates the first anniversary of Ptolemy V's coronation, details tax exemptions and instructions for erecting statues in temples. The presence of the same text in 3 scripts provided scholars with a unique comparative tool for linguistic analysis. Before the Rosetta Stone's discovery, hieroglyphs were a mystery. The knowledge of reading and writing this complex script had been lost since the decline of ancient Egyptian civilization. Without the ability to understand hieroglyphs, historians and archaeologists face significant challenges in interpreting the wealth of inscriptions adorning temples, tombs, and monuments throughout Egypt. The Rosetta Stone presented a tantalizing opportunity, a trilingual inscription that could potentially serve as a linguistic bridge. Scholars quickly realized that the same text appeared in all 3 scripts, meaning the Rosetta Stone could act as a linguistic bridge. Initial efforts to decode the hieroglyphs focused on the Greek inscription, as ancient Greek was well understood. Scholars hypothesized that the hieroglyphic and demotic texts conveyed the same message. Thomas Young, an English polymath, made significant progress by identifying that certain hieroglyphs represented the sounds of royal names. He recognized that the cartouches, oval shapes enclosing hieroglyphs, contained phonetic characters spelling out names like Ptolemy. Jean-François Champollion, a French linguist, built upon Young's findings. Fluent in multiple languages, including Coptic, the liturgical language of Egyptian Christians, Champollion realized that Coptic was the key to understanding ancient Egyptian. In 1822, after meticulous study, he announced that hieroglyphs were a combination of phonetic and ideographic symbols. This revelation allowed for the complete decipherment of hieroglyphic texts, opening the doors to ancient Egypt's rich literary and historical records. Champollion's realization that hieroglyphs functioned both phonetically and symbolically was groundbreaking. By comparing the hieroglyphic text with the Greek and using his knowledge of Coptic, he unlocked the pronunciation and meaning of the symbols. This breakthrough not only solved a linguistic puzzle but also resurrected the voice of ancient Egypt, allowing its stories, laws, and beliefs to be heard once more. The decipherment of the Rosetta Stone transformed Egyptology. Scholars could now read inscriptions on temples, tombs, and monuments, providing insights into Egypt's history, religion, and society. Texts such as the Book of the Dead, royal decrees, and literary works became accessible, enriching our understanding of one of humanity's oldest civilizations. The story of the Rosetta Stone is a testament to human curiosity and perseverance. It reminds us that even the most enigmatic mysteries can be unraveled with dedication and insight. As we continue to explore the remnants of ancient cultures, the Rosetta Stone stands as a symbol of the enduring quest for knowledge and the bridges we can build across time to connect with our shared past.